For your channel?
Well, no, it doesn't matter. What are you doing today?
So today we're going to be pulling out the engine out of the Camaro because I've decided that it's just going to be a lot easier to take it out and inspect it when it's out of the car. But before we even pull it out, I got to clean up the shop a little bit. That way we can fit the car and pull it up with this 2,200 pound crane.
Welcome to TW's Automotive Shop. If you haven't been, you ought to check out Michael's channel where he's working on this Camaro. But yeah, today he needs a little help pulling the engine out of it. So he's got a nice little engine stand he's putting together over there. And yeah, we'll see if we can pull this thing out.
Stop.
Well, tell the people what you're doing.
So we just rocked it back and forth and got the engine off the input shaft of the transmission. So now basically what I'm doing is I'm checking while we have it up in the air to see if anything's still connected. Like these ground wires right here need to be disconnected before we can fully raise it up.
I admit this was probably my fault. I made him crawl on the floor and get all that loose. I was in charge of the top part, so I guess this one's on me. How about that? There was a fancy connector there. We could have just unplugged that instead of taking all this crap loose.
Now I gotta put my movie voice on. Alright, go ahead and raise it up. Yep, keep going. Stop. I'm just double checking.
Got a wire back here. That was already disconnected, man.
Well,
Double disconnecting stuff?
that's better than not disconnecting it. Alright, go ahead.
Fingers clear. Looking good.
Yep, keep going. Yep, keep going.
Gotta get the right camera view, man.
Alright, everything good?
The engine's out and on a stand, which means my job is done, but it also means that Michael's job is just beginning because he has some serious metal in there. So have fun.